3, 2, 1, action.
Welcome back to our channel. Haley and Levi decided to do the praying mantis video, so I'm just doing this video. So mine is getting a bit moldy, which I'm gonna fix that in 1 minute.
Should we talk about the other ones?
This one has sprouted. This one has sprouted. And this one has sprouted. Everybody who's watching, it's Wilden. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna fix my thing.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna see if we can save his pea. Stop. First you need to prepare. So what we think happened is, see there's a little bit of yellow in the bottom of this jar. I think maybe the jar wasn't clean enough and it's affecting our pea because all the other ones are not doing that.
Now can I
So he just got unlucky and got the one jar that was gonna make his pea mold. So we're gonna put it in this clean cup instead and see if we can save the pea.
Now can I?
You have to cut your, remember? Cut that.
Where?
Do you remember how we did it?
Right across the top right there.
Good job. Okay, and then roll it up.
Which way? This way or that way?
Anyway, just roll it that way, yeah. Okay. Now it should. There you go. Do you want to trim that or leave it?
Trim.
Okay. Look. I'll squish it tight and then you can go for it.
I want some milk. I want some milk.
Just a minute, Hannah.
Fix my pizza wherever I go. The end.
Okay. Now let's, should we put the pea in first or do you think we should put water in first?
Water.
Okay.
Who wants that one?
Okay. Now you're going to carefully take your pea out, get the paper towel and slide it out and see if we can try not to disturb the pea very much. Oops.
Hope it doesn't fall.
All in there.
We got a pea down. It looks like he already got it.
Oh, okay. Good.
Woo!
Pea is way down. Why don't I rinse it off in this clean water over here?
Yeah.
See if we can.
I don't think the dirt will hurt it though.
It's actually really supposed to be growing.
I wonder why it did this.
I don't know.
And let's show them the spots.
When do I get my pea back?
In just a minute.
Hey, no, Haley.
Do you think that's too close?
No, Haley, you got even voices now.
There's like dark spots all over it. I don't know why.
So you won't go to.
All right, let's put it in.
Haley, turn it out.
push it. I'm gonna put a little more water in there.
Because I like it. Okay.
We'll see if we saved the pea.
Mission save the pea. Adios.
What other observations are there for day 5 though?
Molding.
Let's turn these over. Well, yours is molding, but the others aren't.
Someone is drowning.
What observations do you make? Take a special note at Haley's. Something is happening there.
It's sprouting.
Mm-hmm.
Haley, I have good news. What? Sprout. What? Someone's sprouted.
All right.
It's mine sprouted too.
Have anything else to say about the Pea Project today?
Haley Hughes has sprouted. Mine has sprouted. No. Hughes has taken a root.
So day 5. And